is happening to you. Now, for this, I'd like us to say some things we feel. There are certain things we feel in our bodies sometimes, okay? There are certain things we feel in our bodies, some body discomfort, or getting a maybe. Your face is like this. Hmm? You're not feeling fine. Something is discomforting you, and someone asks you, "Oh, getting a magazine." Hmm? Nothing. So first of all, you want to say nothing. You want to say nothing. You say onweghị. Nke mbụ, onweghị. Onye ọbụla si onweghị. Onweghị. Just like this. Onweghị. That's how you pronounce it. Kwuo ya. Kwuo nunu ya. Onweghị pụtara nothing. Some will say onwero. Anambra people. Ọ gịnị na-eme gị? Onweghị. Then, can I still know that onwe ihe na-eme gị? Let's say something is happening to you. Something is happening to you. Let's begin to talk. Isi na awam. Gịnị bụ isi na awam? Isi na awam. I am having what? A headache. Gịnị? I am having. I am having a headache. Although that's not how to correct your teacher. You say, Unyemazi, you made a mistake. Not by saying I am a headache. Nke atọ. Oh yeah, let's go, let's go, let's go. Ọ gịnị na-eme gị? Mr. Kwado Abago live, ka m gosi. Nobody Mr. Marachi, your parents. Just look for Igbo Summer Camp Batch B. Send the link to that. It's there. It's in. You see the contact with my flyer. That's it. Just send the link, the YouTube link to them. Let them see it. Okay. Oh, give me a leg. I feel sad. Obi dem njọ. Obi dem gịnị? Njọ. I feel sad. You can say I am angry. How would you say I am angry? Eh? Iwe na-ewe m. Excuse me. Iwe na-ewe m. I am angry. Gịnị ọzọ? Ọ gịnị na-eme gị? I feel hungry. How do you say I feel hungry? I feel hungry. I feel hungry. Nato is not even in this class. I feel hungry. Ọ gịnị na-eme gị? I feel tired. Ike gwụrụ m. Excellent. Oge, Ogo, why did you leave? Ike gwụrụ m. My eye is itching me. Anya na-akọ m ọkọ. So my eye is itching. Hmm? My eye is itching. What again? Eh? I feel shy. I feel shy. Ihere na-eme m. I feel sick. I feel sick. Ahụ na-eme m. Ejighị m ahụ. I feel sick. Okay, mommy, I love you. I said the mommy called the next day. Afọ na-abịa abịa. Ejighị m ahụ. I feel sick. I feel like throwing up. Agbọ, onye si bịa ya m? Agbọọ na-ahọ m. Onye ọbụla si agbọọ na-ahọ m. Very simple. Agbọọ. Agbọọ. Agbọọ na-ahọ m. Agbọọ na-ahọ m. The only way to come back to Igbo summer camp next is by speaking Igbo to your parents. And later you're not saying this. I feel like throwing up. Afọ m na-afụ m ụfụ. If your stomach is paining you on the surface, it's na-afụ m ụfụ. If it is aching you inside, it's na-egbu m mgbu. Any part of your body aching you, just say akam and then you say what? Na-egbu m mgbu. Let me write that for you. If you do that serum, we are going. Pain on the surface, na fum ofu, na fum ofu. Pain on the skin, eh? Then na-egbu m mgbu, na-egbu m mgbu. It's what? Pain inside the body. So, she's another. Eh? Excuse me, please go and sit down. Did you leave your house to come here to rest? This is a school, not for resting. Please, please. You will soon go. We will not even, today, 1 o'clock, we are done. Go and ride, please. Thank you. Your driver will soon come and you go home and rest. So sit down. This is a school, not a resting place. It's a camp. Daalụ, daalụ. So mgbe ọbụla ị nwere ahụ ụfụ na ahụ gị ebe a, once the pain is on your skin, on the parts of your body people can see, you say na afụ m ụfụ. Now, ka ị kwuo ya, ọ bụrụ na aka gị, you feel pain in your hand, what will you say? Neto. When you feel a pain on your hand, what do you say on the surface? My hand is hurting. How would you say that? Aka m na-afụ m ụfụ. If the pain is inside and it's not your bone, like inside, like it's inside, what would you say? Everybody should say it. Chidi, aka m na-egbu m mgbu. If your stomach is hurting you inside, what do you say? My stomach. Afọ m na-egbu m mgbu. Why you say afọ m na? What you say is na-egbu m. Afọ m. This NA, what you're going to do is na-egbu m. This is how you pronounce it. Eh? Same thing. Eh? Na-egbu m. This is what you say, not na. Say it. So, my stomach is hurting. Again, ọzọ. Your teeth is aching. Eze na-egbu m mgbu. Your back is aching. Azụ. Your back is aching inside. Azụ na-egbu m mgbu. Your neck is aching. Olu na-egbu m mgbu. Kedu aka Chukwu? Na-ekwu n'okwu. So, I hurt myself. Maybe you got injured. I hurt myself. That's number what now? 11. Emerụ m ahụ. How do you say I hurt myself? Just say I got injured. That's just it. I got injured. Okay. Then number 12, abụrụ gịnị? I fell down. Adara m ada. How do you say I fell down? Adara m ada. How do you say I fell down? Adara m ada. And we don't write in it. Chidami dechala. To see. Eh? Eh? Ngwa debe weta akwụkwọ gị. Chizara m wepụta akwụkwọ gị na-ede. You want to rest. Write a little and then you rest. I will soon tell your driver to come and pick you. Hmm? You see it now? I'm on at home. Is it right now? I'm on at home. I'm on at home. That's it. So the next one I want us to do now is, how do you say, if you want to say I feel like peeing, how would you say it? When they say organic and you want to say nothing, how will you say? Eh? Onwei. Onwei. Just learn that one very well. Even when your parents say, what's wrong? When your parents tell you, what's wrong? You tell them what? Onwei. Okay? Ngwa. Nke ọzọ anyị ga-eme ugbu a bụ ọ gịnị ka ị chọrọ? Ọ gịnị ka ị chọrọ? What do you want? We have done that before. Hmm? But let's write it. Ọ gịnị ka ị chọrọ? What do you want? Ọ gịnị ka ị chọrọ? Yes, the answer is so simple. Gị si achọrọ m dot 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 dot. Then another way you can say, they say, if you want to say I don't want, so how would you say I don't want? No, achọghị m. Achọrọ m. I don't want, achọghị m. Amarachi, ọ gịnị ka ị chọrọ? You don't need to look at the board. Achọrọ. Ọ gịnị ka ị chọrọ? Gịnị ka ọ gịnị ka ị chọrọ? Don't listen to that person telling you iri iri. Ọ gịnị ka ị chọrọ, Somkene? I'm asking you, ọ gịnị ka ị chọrọ? Don't David. Achọrọ m what? Achọrọ m. Achọghị m is I don't want. Somto, ọ gịnị ka ị chọrọ? Ị chọrọ nkịta. Ọgọ, ọ gịnị ka ị chọrọ? Nkịta. Pizza. Ọ gịnị ka ị chọrọ ifu? Ị chọrọ ịga ụlọ. That was beautiful. That's beautiful. Achọrọ m Indomie. Indomie doesn't have Igbo name.
Noodles.
It doesn't have Igbo name. NATO. Achọrọ m oke bekee. Yes, ọ gịnị ka ị chọrọ? Ọdọ egwuregwu. Ka ebe bụ ọdọ egwuregwu? Ama. Or ụlọ. If it's a gym inside the house, ụlọ. Ngwa, ọ gịnị ka ị chọrọ? Ama is when it is open space. It doesn't have a covering. Ụlọ is when it's in a building. Okay? How do you say I want to go to the beach? Ịga, to go. Achọrọ m ịga ama mmiri. Somto, ọ gịnị ka ị chọrọ? Ị chọrọ ụdara. Say it again. Udara or utara. What are you trying to say? What are you trying to say? Udara. Achọrọ m udara. You don't say I want to eat or lick udara. How would you say it? Achọrọ m ịracha udara. Yes. Yes. Instead of saying achọrọ m osikapa, you say achọrọ m iri, to eat. Ọ gịnị ka ị chọrọ? Osikapa. From today, if you get back and your parents speak Igbo to you, don't be relaxed responding to them in English. Try to say it in Igbo. Maybe they take you to a restaurant and they ask you Ogini Kinchoro. You see how we are answering questions, they're not even making any impact, they're just writing notes. You think if by writing notes. Chindi Ogini Kinchoro. Ichoro Negi. Negi. Name now, your mother. You said your mother, and I'm saying you said name, this is my mother, and I'm saying Negi, your mother. It's in air. Okay, so I'll give you ọzọ. Ka eme ka ebe ị nọ. Kedu ebe ị nọ? Where are you? Kedu ebe ị nọ? Ọ ga-adịkwa kpọkpọ. Kedu ebe ị nọ? Another question. Kedu ebe ị nọ? Or they say ke ebe ị nọ. They can tell you kedu ebe ị nọ, or they tell you ke ebe ị nọ. Onye ọbụla, how do you say where are you? Say it out. Kwụsie ya ike. Ke ebe ị nọ. Leave this one now. I start writing this one. Just this one. Ke ebe ị nọ. Onye ọbụla kwuo ya. Kwụsie okwu ike. You're not saying it. How do you say, Daddy, where are you? This one is supposed to say it every day. Nnam ke ebe ị nọ. How do you say, Mommy, where are you? Also, Mommy, where are you? Chidimma, where are you? Amara, where are you? Chinonso, where are you? Nwunye Mazi, where are you? Mazi Okezie, where are you? Ebe ị nọ. Then for you to respond, you say anom. Anom. Anom means I am. If you want to say he is or she is, he or she is, you say ono. Anom. Kebe ino is anom. Let's do it this way. Then when you want to say kebe ono, where is she? Kebe ono. This one is where is she or where is he? Ono, where is she? Where is she, he, or it? Your response will be no. He is, he, she is. Now, do you see this? He, she, it, is, ... Do you see what this M keeps doing? Oh no. But I, because we say I am, what happens? The comes always. So, Chimdike Kebino. Everybody turn your book to, we have written places we visit, right? We have visit where again? Did we write work yesterday? Work is uloru. Places, work, uloru, include it. Work, uloru, yes, office work, uloru. Work, office, uloru, and a court is uloikpe. Are we good? So when they ask you Kebino, you can say anywhere you are. Right now you are in the Igbo summer camp, right? What is your name? Kamsi Kebino. Exactly. I'm on Igbo summer camp. Ogini ka ị na-eme? What are you doing? Writing. Writing something. Ana m ede ihe. Something or writing something. Something is ihe. Something or thing. Or thing is what? Is ihe. So how do you say I am writing something? Also you want to say I'm writing, you say I'm writing something. So ogini ka ị na-eme? Ede. Ana m ede ihe. Say it. Kwuo ya. Ana m ede ihe. Amarachi, ogini ka ị na-eme now? Say it. Amarachi, ka ebe ị nọ? No noise. Amarachi, ka ebe ị nọ? No, you have to tell us where you are. Amarachi, ka ebe ị nọ? Gịnị ka ị na-eme? What are you doing? I asked her, Amarachi, ka ebe ị nọ? She said, anọ m n'ụlọ onyonyo. Ọ gịnị ka ị na-eme? Ana m ele onyonyo. Anọ m n'ụlọ. Always put that na n'ụlọ. Ka m si. Are you writing? Ị na-ede ihe? Chibuike m, ka ebe ị nọ? Ka ebe ị nọ? Anọ m. Ọ gịnị ka ị na-eme? Onweghị. Good job. Neto, ka ebe ị nọ? Ị nọ Igbo Summer Camp, ọ gịnị ka ị na-eme? Ana m apị ekwentị m. Adaure, ka ebe ị nọ? Where are you? Anọ m Igbo Summer Camp. Let's assume you are in your house. We are going to ask questions now, and you'll be telling me different parts of the house where you are. Don't call the same part of the house where someone has called. Akachukwu, ka ebe ị nọ? Part of the house. No, parts of the house. Open your notes. Parts of the house. It's not there. Parts of the house is here. We did it yesterday. That is household properties. Ngwa, ka ebe ị nọ? Part of the house where you know you are usually. Anọ m na mkpụrụ m. Yes. Say, anọ m n'ụlọ mposi. Ya chọmega ụlọ mposi. Anọ m ụlọ mposi. Anọ m n'ụlọ mposi. Ka ebe ị nọ? Anọ m usekwu. Ka ebe ị nọ? Anọ m na mbara eziko ya. Adaure, ka ebe ị nọ? One part of the house always like to be. Where is your note? You wrote it yesterday. Where is your note? All the things you go and take it. Onye dị ka ebe ị nọ? Ị nọ n'azụ ụlọ. Ka ebe ị nọ? Anọ m n'ọnụ ụlọ. N'ọnụ ụlọ. Ka ebe ị nọ? Please, all this TV on you. You close the door now. Ka ebe ị nọ? Anọ m. Ka ebe ị nọ? Anọ m n'azụ ụlọ. Ka ebe ị nọ? Anọ m na mbara elu. Ka ebe ị nọ? Anọ m n'usekwu. Ebe ị nọ? You must put the na. Ogo, ka ebe ị nọ? Ọdọ akwụkwọ. Ka ebe ị nọ? N'ụlọ ala. Chidi Kebino. Kebino. That's the Kebino. I know, no, say that way. Chidi Kebino. Anom Chidi Kebino. Look at the parts of the house. I said Anom and mention one part of the house. So open your notes. How do you say I am downstairs? Anom n'ụlọ ala or anom n'ala? How do you say I am downstairs? Ma ọ bụ gịnị? Anom n'ala. Kọrọ n'onwe unu aka. The next one is you don't try me. Don't piss me off now. Don't disorganize this class. I'm not joking. How can you spoil the tranquility of this class now? Yes, we want to do the when. Then when is kedu mgbe? Kedu mgbe is when. So when we talk about when, what's the answer going to be? Time. Koronu Chizaramaka. So on that, let's look at different time. When you say in the morning, how do you say in the morning? How do you say in the morning? I got to leave my class immediately. Immediately. I don't have time for drama this morning. Leave. Just leave. Go and have your world. Leave. Just leave. Let me see how you want to have fun. Only you. Leave. Come here and doze. Don't act drama around me. When? What are the times we have? Monday and Saturday. Other than Monday and Saturday. Let's start with daily. Monday is still time now. It's a day. So we have, when you want to say in the morning, you say no tutu. In the morning. You say no tutu. How do you say in the afternoon? In the afternoon. N'ehihie. In the evening. In the night. I'm coming, my darling. In the evening. Na what? Na mgbede. In the night. Ga-abụ gịnị? Mba, it's not na kachifo. N'abalị, not n'abalị. 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 Kedu oge ọzọ? On Monday. On Sunday. Well, that day here. In the next how many hours now, we'll be done for the whole camp. And your parents will start coming to pick you. So just have your class. On Monday. How would you say on Monday? You say na Monday. Na Monday. That on is na. Na Monday. How do you say on Sunday? Na Sunday. It's not Tuesday. How we say I will come on Monday? I will is agam. I will. Write it down. I will is agam. Beautiful girl. Agam abia. Right? Na Sunday. Whatever. I will. Agam. Okay? I will. Agam. And then you say abia. How would you say I will eat in the afternoon? I will eat my food in the afternoon. My food. You did not put na before ehihe. Remember, look at it now. Nehihe. I will eat my food in the afternoon. My food. Stand up. Kuroto. Ngwakwuo ya. Aga m eri nri m n'ehihie. Kụọrọnụ ya aka. I will wash it today. Today is taa. Let me clean this. Today. This agam is for this. Write it down. Today. Don't say Natal. Just say today is taa. Ndo. Taa. Tomorrow is what? Echi. Write it, baby. Detuo ya. Say, or can detuo ya. Say it. Tomorrow, echi. Yes. How would you say I will come to your house tomorrow? I will. Your house. You know, when you talk about house, I told you now, don't forget to put the to. N'ụlọ. Kwurọtọkwuo. I will come to your house tomorrow. Kwurọtọkwuo ya, Marachi. Stand up and be confident. Before ụlọ, there is some. Kwuo ya ọzọ. Kwuo ya ọzọ. Kwuo ya ọzọ. I say it again. Aga m abịa n'ụlọ gị echi. Kụọrọnụ ya aka. I will eat my food in the evening. I will eat my food in the evening. I will is agam. Eri nri m na mgbede. Aga m eri nri m na mgbede. So, I will go to my house today. Wait, Amara. I will go to my house. Kuroto. Kuroto, stand up. Go. When you say agam, let me clean this thing. When you say agam, you can either say a or e before you now put the word, before you put the verb. Okay? So I will say I will go to my house today. It's going to be a because it's ga. Leave her now. Up here. What is go? Aga m aga. My house. To my house. N'ụlọ m. today. Taa. Aga m aga n'ụlọ m taa. Yes. When you want to say later, you say ma emecha. Later. Why beginning? Later. We are talking about time, remember. Later is what? Ma emesia. Or ma emecha. If you are from Anambra, this is for Anambra and Enugu. And this is Imo, Abia. This is also for Delta. Delta. So Imo, Abia, PH, no money. Okay, so how would you say, I will see you later? What is see? It's your verb. No. Stand up. I will see you later. Kụọrọnụ ya aka. Aga m ahụ gị ma emesịa. The very smart ones are writing down the examples. Aga m ahụ gị ma emesịa. Later is ma emesịa. If you're Anambra, I'm emesịa. Others ma emesịa. I will eat my food later. Mommy, please, I will eat my food later. I'm watching TV. Mommy, I'll eat my food later. I'm watching TV. Write it down, everybody. Construct it. Construct na sụọla Igbo. Nwekwa ihe ọzọ. Onwekwa ihe ọzọ a na-akọkwa. Onwezikwa. Okay, Chibuike kwụrụ ọtọ. Mommy, please. Maybe she said, go and eat your food and you are watching one serious movie. Mommy, please, I'll eat my food later. I'm watching TV. Ngwa. My food. I am watching. I am. Watch. What is look? What is look? Look. So looking. And before the le, something has to come, either A or E. And yes. Okay. Okay. Stand up. Try. Boy, Chibuike, you tried. Also, Igbo. Kụọrọnụ ya aka. I said clap, you did not clap. Nne m biko, aga m eri nri ma emesịa. Ana m ele onyonyo. Mommy, please, I will do it. Let me sleep. Mommy, please, I will do it. Mommy, please, I will do it. I want to sleep. Mommy, please, I will do it. I will do it later. I want to sleep. Okay. What is do? What, look for it. Look for do in your yeah, we did it that day. Do. Do is me. And you say I will. Remember, it's agam. You now use and put me. I will do it. Mommy, please, I will do it later. I want to sleep. Agam. Chere. Agam do. Agam then you say do. What is do? What is do? Look for it there. Amarachi. I will do it. No. I will do it. Let's find what is I will do it. I will do it. I will is agam. Agam. Or a. You must pick one. Then you put the verb. Right? And then whatever. I now said, Mommy, I will do it later. What is do? Me. Dear parents, you can see your children are speaking Igbo. They are speaking. So take note of the ones speaking. You can see we're teaching everybody. Those that are not answering any question, you can see I'm teaching everybody. Better answer so that your parents will see that you're answering. I will do it later. How would you say that? Aga m eme ya ma emesịa. Aga m eme ya. Kọrọ n'ụsọ nke n'aka. Aga m eme ya ma. I say clap for him ma emesịa. Then say, I want to eat. Mommy, I will do it later. I want to eat. Maybe she has to do something. Mommy, I will do it later. I want to eat now. Now is ubua. Write it down under time. Now, ubua. Now, ubua. Everybody, phone ubua. Onye ọbụla si ubua. Onye ọbụla si ubua. Onye ọbụla si ubua. Ka m si yọ Chukwu. All of my just achieve you. Go and clean your face. Go and wash it. Quickly, 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 be smart. More sister. Okay, Mommy, I will do it later. Please, I want to eat now. Ogo. Puroto. Agam. Ma emesịa. Good, kụọrọnụ ya aka. Nne m, aga m eme ya ma emesịa. Achọrọ m iri nri ugbu a. What other time? Have you written now? Ugbu a. What other time do we have? Now is ugbu a. Later is what? Ma emesịa or ma emecha. Auntie Thelma is seeing you. Real. I'm sure she's at home. Real. Your friends are seeing you. So, what other time do we have? Week. Week is Izu. Week is Izu. How would you say this week? How would you say this week? No, this. No, this is when you're talking about time. Ugbo Izua. Nizua. So Izu week. So week is Nizua. Nizua. Nizu. So this week is what? I will go to USA this week. I will go to USA this week. No. Agam, I will go. Agam aga USA n'izu a. How would you say me and my family? Me and my family. You do family, you teach you family. Uh-uh. Family is ezinụlọ. I'll do that. It's a very it's like this. Mụ na ezinụlọ m. Me and my family. You say mụ na ezinụlọ m ga-aga USA n'izu a. Cha Igbo kwenu. You see, you're making sentences. I don't want trouble. Trouble is nsogbu. Quickly, I don't want trouble. I don't want trouble today. I don't want trouble today. I don't want. No. Chidi. Chidi. Trouble is nsogbu. Trouble is nsogbu. I don't want trouble today. Please. Please, I don't want trouble today. Achọghị m. Biko achọghị m nsogbu. Chizara, am I writing? Biko achọghị m nsogbu taa. Okay. Onwe ya ọzọ. I want to see you. I want to see you. I want to see you today. No, see, not look or watch. No, it's not Ilehu. See. See. Achọrọ m ịhụ gị taa. How do you say, Daddy, I want to see you today? What is my daddy? When I say daddy, don't wait for me to say my. Always put the M there. Ịhụ gị taa. Now, if you want to say soon, another time is soon. Soon is na nso nso. Na nso nso a. Na nso nso a. Na nso nso. Na nso nso a. Or na nso nso. How do you say that? I want to see you soon. Daddy, I want to see you soon. Nna m, ịhụ gị na nso nso na nso nso. I want to say, Daddy, I want to see you soon. I miss you. I miss you. Nyagi. Agi. Are we good? Are we good? Ngwa. Daddy, I want to see you soon. Because, do you know what is because? Makana. I told you before. Okay, Daddy, I want to see you because it's Makana. Daddy, I want to see you because I miss you. Daddy, I want to see you because what? I miss you. Kwụrụ kwuo ya. Kwụrụ kwuo ya. My daddy. Carry your book up and lift up your head. Start again. Let's hear you clearly. Na nso nso maka na. Say it again. Start from my daddy. Maka na anya gị na-eme. Koro na onwe unu aka. Okeze gị na-akụ. Okay. We have almost 15 minutes to be done. Let's quickly look at family. Family. Ezinụlọ. Oh, my baby. Please, Amarachi. I did not finish. You will say Edechabem. Ezinụlọ. Dedo kezi maka ebe mụrụ mkpịsị ode a. Kwadịnị faịlụ gị. Ọ gị dewekwere ya. Ezinụlọ. Family. Ezinụlọ bụ gịnị? Ezinụlọ bụ family nwa eficha m ya. What is daddy? Nna. What is mommy? Auntie. Auntie is dada. Uncle is what? Dede. Sibling is what? Nwanne. Sister. Yes, nwanne nwanyị. If you want to say my brother, you just put the M here, not here. If you want to say my brother, you're going to say my sibling male. This is female. Dada is auntie. So brother is one, sister is what? Brother is nwanne nwoke. Nwanne is sibling. If you want to say my sister, you put the M here. My brother, my sister. This is how you say it. Don't call me ma'am. I'm not ma'am. Munye mazi. One neighbor sibling. Grandpa, mama nuku. Grandma is mama nuku. Some call mama ochie. Oh no wahala. All of them. That's 9. Papa nuku. Siblings. Umunne. When it is more than one, siblings. Umunne. And your friend is any friend. Don't what do you say, my friend? I want to have how many minutes? They're going to come in. Yeah, no. Which party is your next just one book at all. one name one, my brother, one name more. What do you think my mama is? Man, look at grandma, papa, grandpa, auntie, they say that, or they say that, yeah, he said, or they say that. You know, akwụkwọ m agwụgo ma finish is Bola or Ugo. How do you say my food is finished? I never said na. Agwụgo, Ugo agwụgo. You have not finished. Mommy, my food has finished. I want another one. Mommy, my food is finished. I want another one. I said, Agugo. If you are Anambra or Enugu, you say Agugo. If you are Imo, you say Agula. Mommy, my food is finished. I want another one. Rim. I want another one. Let's say together. I want to go. Nrima agwụgo. Or Nrima agwụla. Achọrọ m ọzọ. Mommy, my money is finished. Money is what? Gịnị bụ money? Amarachi. Gịnị bụ money? My money. My money has finished. I want another one. I'm teaching you how to say where you go to school, boarding school. Nne m ego m agwụgo. Nna m biko ego m agwụgo. Achọrọ m ọzọ. Say it in Igbo, they'll tell you, watch out now, watch out now. How? I'm teaching you things to win your parents that you are there. Eh? Okay, let's go check. But one no check. Now one no check. If you want to say my food is remaining, you say remaining. My food is still remaining. I don't want another one. Achọrọ m ọzọ ọ achọghị m ọzọ. Nri m ka fọrọ achọghị m ọzọ. Write it down. Say the shower. Say the shower. That's right. Okay, this is the it's just a simple test Yes, classroom. Just everything. Assessment. Why you following the Igbo language? Alright, my favorite is Namasi. It's my favorite, my favorite, yes. Namasi. My favorite, you say food, my favorite. I'm talking. When I want to say my favorite food, you say food, my favorite. That's how you say it in Igbo. English says my favorite food is in Igbo. You write food, my favorite is. That's how you put it. My favorite is Namasi. You are writing it in Igbo. I don't look really. You know Google at all. But I can't ask you to explain. If you don't want to get the questions, only like spaghetti. And any problem. Eh? You're going to say, you're going to say food, my food I love. Hmm? You just say food, namasi. You put food in Igbo, I like namasi. okay, so go the Jesus. Oh, come on. That one 40 kita, ego makwa nini. That one 40, if I not portion for 100,000. Yeah, 40 people are counting. But finish writing.